I'd like to meet a new Brit right now. That's a terrible accent. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm doing you an injustice right now, but I love you guys. I love you. Where about in the UK? Are you in London? Because let me tell you something. I'm not from London, actually. I'm from in near London. You bloke. You bloody bloke. Why are you cutting in my live stream and you don't talk to me, you bloody bloke? I'm just kidding. Oh, do I look like a? I never mind. I'm about to say a bad word. I learned a lot of bad words from you guys. I love it. I love it. Like bloody. Bloody's a bad word. Well, you know what? I found out why that is such a bad word. I looked it up. It's pretty bad, but it's still not bad to me. I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm gonna keep saying it because I like to swear. I'm a bloody savage. I'm a bloody savage when it comes to my you know, I love a London boy. Are you a boy or a girl now? What's up? Hey, look, we got another person. We got another visitor. Hello. Hi. So do you make okay, so Mr. or Miss, I don't know what to say. Now, I don't know anything about you. I want to call you ma'am, sir. I don't know if it's Nell, like Nelly, like a lady, or Nelly could be a man's name too. I don't know. But tell me about yourself. Okay, so do you make YouTube episodes? You guys, hi, somebody left now. Somebody left. Don't leave me, please. I'm so lonely. I'm just kidding.